Lemon essential oil benefits: natural relief for cough, congestion, and sinus infections. Lemon trees have grown across Asia for centuries, and healers have leaned on them just as long. The fruit's peel holds concentrated oil, and once extracted, that oil becomes the essential oil supplement you find on shelves today. Research points to antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antiseptic, and antimicrobial properties packed into every drop. For your breathing specifically, that combination adds up to real, practical support. The compound doing the heavy lifting. Cineole is the ingredient responsible for most of lemon oil's respiratory benefits. It acts as an expectorant, meaning it helps break up mucus and clears it out of your system faster. That's the mechanism behind an easier cough and less congestion. Cineole also carries antioxidant effects, giving your immune system extra backup when you need it most. Its antimicrobial activity targets some of the bacteria linked to respiratory infections, though clinical research is still catching up to what people have used for generations. On top of that, Cineole has shown promise for calming sinus inflammation and easing sinus infections. Clearing the path for easier breathing. Think of lemon oil the way you'd think of eucalyptus oil. Once it reaches the mucous membranes lining your lungs, it loosens built-up secretions so your body can clear them out through coughing, instead of holding on to them. Diffuse it, and you open up blocked nasal passages, cut through congestion, and quiet a chronic cough. The vitamin C and antioxidant content do double duty too, helping flush toxins from the air around you and off the surfaces you touch. More than just your lungs. Diffuse lemon oil at the first sign of a fever, and you may feel relief from the flu-like symptoms that come with it, including a sore, scratchy throat. Beyond physical symptoms, the scent itself does something to your headspace. It sharpens concentration, lifts flagging energy, and takes the edge off anxious, negative moods. Around the house, lemon oil doubles as a non-toxic cleaner and air freshener, leaving rooms smelling clean while giving you that cooling, revitalized feeling. Know the limits. Lemon oil is not a bronchodilator. It won't open your airways the way prescription medication does, and it should never replace albuterol or anything else your doctor has prescribed. If you're managing asthma, COPD, or any other respiratory condition, talk to your doctor before adding lemon oil or any essential oil to your routine. Everything shared here is meant to inform, not diagnose or treat any condition. Essential oils affect everyone differently, and what works well for one person might not work the same for another. Talk to your doctor before adding lemon oil or any new oil or supplement to your routine, especially if you're managing asthma, COPD, or another respiratory condition.